Wait for me. Forgot to close the car window.
Heck, you don't need to get in the car. You can raise the window glass by pressing and holding the lock button on the key.
Still have this function?
Try it!
Are you fooling me?
Then you must not have set it up. Give me the key. On the central control screen, click Settings, click Doors, and Windows Open/Close. Click to open it conveniently. The default is off. Just open it. Go, get out of the car and try. Press and hold the lock button. 3, 2, 1.
So fucking awesome.
When you buy a new car, you need to set it up, which can make your car drive 10 times easier, such as car windows. Push the switch to the top and keep it for 5 seconds, and release it when you hear a click. One-click window lift function is set up. It also has an automatic anti-pinch function.
Wow, that's so cool.
There are even cooler. There is a rearview mirror and wiper in the settings. Here is an automatic wiper in rainy days. It is off by default. Turn it on. As soon as it rains in the future, the wiper will wipe automatically. Just try it out and find out. Isn't it amazing? Find the lock button on the door, press and hold it for 5 seconds, then the automatic lock function is set. As long as the driving speed exceeds 15 kilometers per hour, the doors will automatically lock. Look, it automatically locks, so it's safer to drive. There is another life-saving trick. Press and hold the lock button and unlock button on the car key at the same time for 5 seconds. In this way, the function of only opening the main driver's door is set. Look, the driver's door can be opened after unlocking, but the other doors cannot be opened. It can prevent bad guys from getting into your car from other doors after you unlock it. Ladies and gentlemen who found my video helpful, give me a like. Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.